go to a go see things, now how you go survive?
Oh, if I see things, Charlie, if you mean I won't see that before I see. So in the day.
We all have to do things. You have to have backups for your backups for your backups.
Okay, this is new.
Oh dear.
Because women now, if she say you they check up on their WhatsApp stuff, she go shift to Snap. We Snap every time they delete. So how you go do that one too? Alright guys, man, so still at UG campus. I'm gonna try to talk to more people. We are asking them the simple question: is it advisable to go through your partner's phone? Is it advisable for you to go through your partner's phone? Come along, let me talk to more people.
And then answer that. And then.
I think so.
Why? No, but you know most of these guys can't be too honest with you. So you need to check their phone so that you know what is happening. If they are cheating on you or they are doing something skirmishes there. Don't you think so?
No, if you want to know something, you should ask the person. You shouldn't.
Really?
I
When you're
don't
broken
think
out
so.
too.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Tell me, me rebel. Debbie, apart from broken heart, back up, be me call to Sasa.
No,
Why?
because if you're in a relationship, you have to trust each other. Yeah, and if you're in a relationship with someone, you have to talk to the person about everything. So maybe if the person doesn't want to tell you something, the person has a reason.
I think I have to date these people. People like these. They don't worry. Oh, are you in a relationship?
Yes.
Your boyfriend is enjoying. You don't worry him, man.
No.
Because some of these girls, we go and date them, man. Then they go to on our phones while we are asleep. What's your advice to ladies who do that? Or even men or women, both partners who do stuff like that?
I don't think it's advisable to check your partner's phone, so you should just be open about everything. No.
Why?
Why would you do that? You want to see things.
Yes.
If you don't want to see things, you don't go through the phone.
So there's things there.
Yes, of course.
Like I don't understand. Why can't we be just honest with each other and have a smooth and cool relationship?
Then it becomes boring. Like some of us want chaos. You want the drama. You see that thing? We all have to do things. You have to have backups for your backups for your backups.
Okay, this is new.
Oh dear.
To me, it's advisable, Charlie.
Why? If you dey trust them, why if I go through the phone?
No, you are not going through the phone because you don't trust her. But Charlie, if you go through eventually, it doesn't make anything wrong.
You sure?
Sure. That's to me.
So you dey go through?
For me. I'm not sure that they go through. But if I go through, they means I know they trust them. If I know they go through, they means I know they trust them. So Charlie.
So if you go through a go see things, now how you go survive?
Oh, if I see things, Charlie, if you mean I won't see that before I see. So in the day, you for know the risks involved. So you see in that.
This is facts.
Yeah,
Why?
of course. Me, I don't trust anyone, so like once in a while, then, but yeah, you have to go through. That is same which can also go through your phone.
No, it's definitely not advisable.
Sorry?
I wouldn't do it.
You wouldn't go through your partners. Why?
Well, I mean, I wouldn't like it if they did that to me, so I feel like, yeah, I probably wouldn't. If there is anything that I suspect, I would just bring it up and see the reaction. Well, maybe if it gets to the point that there is serious cause to believe, then maybe, I would, yeah.
But at
But
which
not
point?
others,
But
yeah.
at which point would you consider going through a phone?
If I already know the answer, if I already know what I'm going to look for, yeah, that's the point. But if I'm not sure or it's just like suspicions, then I don't think I would.
Well, for me, I would say it's not advisable, yeah. Because at times when you don't see certain things, it's better you leave it that way. Because maybe you see ladies indirectly they may end up flirting, but they don't really want to move with a guy or something. But if you just go to a phone and you see maybe it will be an old text or something, but you'll be like, oh, my partner is cheating or she's flirting and all that. Yeah, for me, I don't think it's advisable to go to your partner's phone. Normally, you check her, it be good. Or what check her, it be good to say, go know how you go play your card. But I think you end up hurting yourself, you know.
But then,
Charlie, women
so you
bunch.
go take cold hat, small, then you go know how
Yeah,
you go move your
for me, yeah. You see, me a gay woman, way my woman they be, right? So I feel like definitely some guys may want to approach her and things. So for me to save my heart, it's on my part to protect her. You understand? Like to always be there for her and all that. So say if she did somewhere safe, have you check up, oh baby, where are you then things. But checking up on her phone, I don't think it can prevent her from even cheating. Because women now, if she see say you they check up on her WhatsApp stuff, she go shift to Snap. We Snap every time you they delete. So how you go do that one too?
Sure.
You have to go to your partner's phone.
Yes.
Do you want to see their own Sinabo?
Yes, I want to say it.
You want to
Sure.
see everything?
Yes, I want to
Oh,
say
but
it.
you have to give him privacy too, don't you think?
No, he needs privacy, but not that. He should be able to go through my phone, and I should also be able to go through his phone. So it's normal.
Maybe it's not advisable for me.
You don't think if I go to your phone?
No, maybe I'll see something that will get hurt.
So
I
better.
don't want to
you don't
see.
want to go
No,
through.
no, no.
Okay. Oh, but then, what do you think of your friend? What
I
she
have
say?
that heart to go through. Maybe she doesn't have that heart.
Yeah,
I have that heart to go through.
Okay. Okay, but then, what could be the reason why you would like to go to your partner's phone? For me, I think you can just go to your partner's phone regularly, but not necessarily going through to go fish out stuff.
Yes.
That's what I'm going to do. Yeah,
No, not every day though, but I have to have that chance to go through his phone. But not every day.
But if you're going to your partner's phone, then you're thinking of something before you're going to your partner's phone.
Sure.
Maybe he's behaving strangely or something, or yes. Or maybe he's avoiding me.
Come on, have you been cheated on? Have you ever been cheated on?
Maybe, yes.
That's why you want to go to your partner's
Yes.
phone. Have you?
No.
That is why you don't want to go
Like
to
I
their partner.
feel I'm enough for him, so he's not supposed to go in for anyone. I'm okay. I'm a full package.
So you're dating.
Sure.
Then the guy is getting a full package.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
He's getting a full package.
Oh, yes.
Like I would have given your number to my viewers, but then since you are taking I'm not gonna go there. But Charlie, tell me, how is the relationship going?
Oh, it's okay.
Is it perfect?
Best.
How long have you guys dated?
Like a year.
Oh, then it's good. It's fresh, and I wish you all the best.